Okay. I went to my local leather store. Guy works on saddles and leather work and boots and stuff like that. And I had these snaps installed. I had tabs. Let me get that loose there. The problem I was having with these motorcycle boots is that these zippers do not lock in place up here. And I was trying to figure out a way to make the zipper quit falling, or it would come loose and come down, and I'd be on a motorcycle ride, and that would just unnerve me quite a bit. And we kind of sat and over, me and him, we sat and barnstormed, trying to figure out ways to take care of this problem of these going down. Come up with the tab and the snap option right here. The snap is in the front, right in front of the laces right here, and the tongue right here protects my ankle from touching the snap. And it snaps, well, it's greasy right now because I put the mink oil on it. You snap it in like that, and you can see the tongue will protect it from getting to my ankle. And it's on both sides like that. So basically we pointed it forward. I did have an idea of putting it back here on the back, towards the back side, but I didn't want it to get in that cushion that protects my ankle. But I believe I fixed it. These are a Milwaukee brand. They're a good made boot. They are made in China. They're not made in America. And this kind, it has the sewing on the edge. You can put different soles on them. I did not want an aggressive sole on it. The person who had these before me wore these suckers out and had an aggressive pattern on them. And honestly, on a motorcycle, you don't need an aggressive pattern. So I had new soles put on, and in fact, on these boots, he pointed it out to me. There's two different zippers. This one has a set, and this one you see is a metal, whereas this one is plastic. And I didn't know that, and I'm like, well, what the heck? But neither one of these, the left or right one, would stay up, and so I had to resort to some sort of system to make these work. And I know there's millions of you people out there riding motorcycles that have motorcycle boots, and you need to wear your equipment, but you need to have your equipment work good. And this staying up, you know, because my thing is I want to lace up the boots, get them the right fitment, and then use these zippers to put them on and off. And I think I've figured it out. Right there. And it looks pretty daggum good. Now I've coated these down with the mink oil. I used a hairdryer to heat this booger up and work that stuff in. I worked it in on the tongue also. And that gives you good protection. That makes the oils saturate into the leather and make them live longer. And it helps them become weather resistant also. You're out in the wind and the rain and crap, and it helps somewhat. It's not totally waterproof, but it's better than nothing. Most people like me don't ride in crappy weather. But this is a cure to that problem. This fixes it. And these are now useful again. I like to have good standardized equipment. What I mean by is equipment I'm used to and I'm accustomed to. So this is it. So if you have problems with your older boots or this style of boot with these zippers not staying up, here's the way to fix it. And you'll be able to use these for a long time. So have a good one. I'll bring more good videos. So stay tuned and please subscribe. I need all the help I can get. Anyhow, have a good one, and we'll catch you on my next video.